In this video, I will show you step by step how you can set up Phantom Wallet and send your Solana from Binance to your Phantom Wallet. If you're a beginner, this video will help you on how to set up your Phantom Wallet and do every other thing you want to do on your Phantom Wallet. And at the same time, you can also download Phantom Wallet on your PC. You can actually use your wallet that you created on your mobile phone and actually import it on your PC. You can also use the same wallet, or you might as well want to create a new wallet for yourself. Now, I am currently on Google Play Store. You can actually download it on iOS Store by typing Phantom Wallet. I need to click on install. Once you're done installing your Phantom Wallet, you click on open. It takes you straight to Phantom Wallet. If you are here, this is just how to set up Phantom Wallet on your mobile phone. You just have to agree to the terms and conditions. There are two options, either to import already existing wallet by using your phrase key to recover your account, or to create a new wallet. In this case, we'll be creating a new wallet. Click on it. Now, this is where we have to use device authentication. If we want to use our device security, you can actually take it and put in your normal phone password, or you can go back and click on next. Now, this is your 12 phrase key. I don't know if you can actually see my screen. This is a 12 phrase key that Phantom Wallet will create for you, so you can actually use it to log in on your account and also keep your account safe. I don't know if you can actually see this because I'm actually recording my screen, but if you can't, you'll be seeing a 12 phrase key there. All you need to do is to write it down and store it in a place where people can't see it, because if anyone have access to your 12 phrase key, whether you are with your phone or not, the person can log in on your account and take all your cryptocurrency. All you need to do is just to click on copy, and you click on the next button there which says, okay, I have saved it somewhere. Then you click on that you have already written down your 12 phrase key. Click on yes. Once you're done with that, you actually come to a place like this where you click on get started. Now, this is where you actually start doing so many things for yourself. You can actually see get instant updates. You can actually enable it, or you click on not now. I'm not interested. Let me click on not now. Now, this is your Phantom Wallet. Now, the first thing you can actually see on top is account 1. You can create multiple accounts by clicking on it, and you can create as many accounts as you want by clicking on add. If you do that, you can actually create new accounts, or you can actually connect your hardware wallet or recover already existing accounts. Anything you can actually do on this platform. The second thing you can actually see there is a QR code. If you click on it, you can actually scan QR codes and actually use your Phantom Wallet to send different kind of cryptocurrency on Solana network, Ethereum network, Polygon network, and Bitcoin network. You can actually click on the search icon there. You'll be seeing some cryptocurrency built on the Solana network. You can actually search using manual option, or you can actually search using the option of contract address. Any one you want to do is all your choice. Now, once you come here, you can see the option of receive. If you click on receive, this is where you can actually receive 4 kinds of cryptocurrency in this platform. They're actually accepting different network, which is the Solana network, Ethereum network, Polygon network, and Bitcoin network. But most people use this Phantom Wallet to receive more of Solana network cryptocurrencies. So you click on back. Once you are here, you can actually click on send. This is where you can actually send out your cryptocurrency to anyone, or to any exchange, or to Binance. If you click on swap, it means that you want to use your Solana and swap it to any cryptocurrency of your choice, mostly cryptocurrency that is built on the Solana network. You can also click on buy. Buy there is if you want to buy any cryptocurrency using your credit card or your debit card. You can actually select anyone you are interested in, and you can actually pay with your credit card or your debit card. Now, the next thing we need to do is to send our Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. All we need to do is just to click on Solana. If we do that, we have to click on the option of receive. We click on receive. Once we do that, we have to copy the address copy it. Now all you need to do right now is to go to Binance and send your Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Here is my Binance app right there. I need to click on Wallet. Once you get to Wallet, you actually locate the option of Spot Account. Now this is where you have your Solana. All you need to do is just send your Solana from Binance to your Phantom Wallet account that we just created right now. You click on it, then you click on Withdraw. You click on Send via Crypto Network. Then you paste in the Solana address. Let's paste it. You can see by default the network Solana showed up. We can actually click on max depending on the amount of Solana you want to send. But in this case, I want to send all my Solana. I click on max. Once I do that, I click on withdraw. Once I do it, I click on confirm. I need to put in my Google authentication verification. So let me go there and copy the code. Let me paste the code right now. Withdrawal processing. As you can see, I just withdraw 0.29 SOL and I'm sending it to my Phantom wallet. So let's just give it a few minutes. Our Solana should be on our new Phantom wallet that we just created. Here is the Solana we sent out from Binance. It is currently on our new Phantom wallet account. You can actually click on history button right there. You can actually see receive. This is so easy. As you can see, this is how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. So easy to do. And from here, you can actually buy your meme coins and different other things you can actually do on the Solana network. Remember, you can actually recover this wallet on your Phantom wallet extension by going to your PC, downloading the Phantom wallet. You can recover this particular account and start trading meme coins. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.